this is gonna meet the grinder. Because I don't know if you've noticed, but grills for cars are damn expensive for some reason. So I figured I'll try and cut this one up first, try and get a similar result or a similar look before I go and spend 200 bucks on one. Pull the bonnet, take this out, it's gonna meet the grinder, grind it out, try and get it looking somewhat how I want it to set, like how I want it to look. And then if it looks like shit, then I'll just buy the grill I want to get anyway. Pretty much all of my clips are broken on this, so there's not really that many that I need to snap off anymore. So the plan is get the bulk of it out with a grinder and then go in with like a little die grinder and then try and smooth down all the little bits here. The other thing that kind of sucks is I've got like these bits here. I think I want to try and get rid of those. We're kind of wigging it. Because this thing has like these ridges here, when we've sanded it, it goes through. So to fill all that in, we got some epoxy resin, just gonna go in, try and fill all these in, let it dry, and then we should be sweet to get some paint on it. The only thing is, it's all gonna drip through there. So I think to fix that, we'll tape the back side of it, because then the tape will get sanded off anyway. Actually, while I've got some epoxy, what are we looking at? About 10 centimeters by 75. Yeah, that seems dry. Approximately that big. Whatever. Just the feeding parade coming through. Not too bad. Could be better, could be worse. If I'd spent more time actually like smoothing it out, I'm sure it'd look a lot nicer, but you don't really notice it unless you're actually up close looking at it, so it doesn't really bother me too much. But nice little nice quick thing to do on your car, assuming you got the tools to like cut the thing out in the first place.